In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate folders in Google Drive using the path bar. First, log into Google Drive the way you normally do and wait for your files to load. Once you're in, open any folder to get started. You can choose a folder from My Drive, a shared drive you have access to, or any subfolder inside. A simple double click on the folder will open it, and you'll see its contents appear in the main area. Now look toward the top of the screen. You'll notice a path showing where you are. This is often called the breadcrumb trail. It lists your current location from the top level down, something like My Drive followed by each folder you've opened. This path is more than just a label. It's an interactive guide that helps you move around quickly without having to back out one step at a time. To navigate with it, click any folder name in that path to jump straight back to that level. For instance, if the path reads My Drive in Projects Reports, clicking My Drive takes you instantly to your main drive. Clicking Projects lands you in that folder, skipping everything in between. It's immediate, it doesn't move or change any files, and it's a safe way to retrace your steps. The far right item in the path represents the folder you currently have open, so the clickable parts are the ones to the left of it. You can also use the path to explore laterally. If you're in Projects Reports and you want to jump to projects without stepping back through multiple screens, just click Projects in the path. From there, you can open a different subfolder inside Projects and keep working. This is especially helpful when you've drilled down several levels and want to move to a sibling folder without retracing each folder one by one. If you click a level and realize it's not where you meant to go, simply click another folder name in the path to move forward again. Watching the folder names change in the path and the file list update below helps confirm you're exactly where you intend to be. That's all there is to it. Log in, open any folder, watch the breadcrumb path at the top, and click the folder names in that path to move up or across your folder structure instantly. With a little practice, this becomes the quickest and most reliable way to navigate your Google Drive.